Okay, thank you.
I can see one.
Okay, put little tiny sticks down in there.
Okay.
Just a bunch of little ones. Okay. Alright, dump a little bit of that in there, okay? Let's see, what do we got? Olive oil? Alright. There you go, perfect. Help me put the hamburgers on. Alright, time to put some spices on. Which one do you want to use? Do you know which one you want to use? That's pepper. You like pepper?
I don't like any spices.
Well, how about a little bit of this one? Let's try that, okay? Let's dump it right on top of these hamburgers.
What do you normally put on it?
Salt and pepper and whatever else you want. So open that up. And just dribble a little bit on there, okay? Uh-oh, we lost the rock. Let's put it back. Oh, it's too hot to grab. Uh-oh. We might be in trouble for a minute. That's alright. Okay, sprinkle a little bit on there, okay? Spread it around. There you go. Get the other one. Just a little bit. There you go. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Yummy.
A flying bee was in my armpit.
Okay, let's flip this hamburger. Oh. A little better. Hold this down towards the food, please. Not that close. You get burnt. Cool.
Daddy, what's the smartest bug?
The smartest bug? I don't know, there's some spiders that live in holes in the ground, and when they feel something walk by, they jump out of the hole. Maybe those ones. You ready for a hamburger?
Mm-hmm.
Want ketchup on yours?
Yes, I want smiley faces.
Alright, ready for yours?
Yep.
Okay. There it is. It's going to be a little hot. Be careful. Let it sit for a minute, okay?
Smells good.
Right,
I'm going to put this bun on top.
let it cool off for a second.
Can I put this bun on top?
Yep. A nice, tasty burger. Cooked on that. Turned out pretty good. Thanks for joining us today. Just a simple lunch and some views.